And I would ask the person who's trying to shift when they're sleeping, are you lucid dreaming? Are you planning on it? Are you planning it before you go to sleep? Are you in like that half sleep state? Like what exactly are you trying to get to, or what are you trying to do? So like lucid dreaming is really great. So if you don't know it, you should definitely try it because it's really fun. If you want to get to a different place or a different consciousness, or if you're doing it to get answers to something, if you wanted to meet somebody like from the other side, that's a great way to do it, is through your dreams or while you're asleep. If you're trying to have different kinds of dreams that answer your questions, that give you the hints about the future. So just about anything that you can think of, you can do while you're sleeping, right? Because what's happening. So if we're part spirit and part nature, right? Every cell of our body, half and half, that our body gets a break from us. So happy to get a break from us, right? That's that heavy, slow, comfortable, warm, usually feeling when you're going deep into sleep. You can just feel yourself kind of falling into that. That would be your body tuning into nature. Your spirit, which is lighter and finer, higher, kind of gets out and goes and does stuff. So you might take a class, you might teach a class, you might go tootle around here, tootle around there, go on vacation, go look around, good stuff. And that break you get, that your body gets from your spirit, it's like a reset. So when you're talking about reality shifting, I'd ask to which part of you is going where, and again, always, what's the intention? And then what you're going to do once you get there. Like if you want to see what it feels like to live under the sea, that would be cool, right? Do you want to do that the whole time you're sleeping? Do you want to have like a whole year's worth of stuff happen? Like, do you want to, jump timelines? Whatever you choose, you can do just about all of it. The only thing I would say with doing it when you're asleep is I would work on making sure that you have a very good memory of what you're doing when you're sleeping. So even when you're doing and you're shifting consciousness and you're moving realities or timelines or whatever it is that you want to do when you're awake, sometimes we have trouble remembering it because time existed in the mind, right? So when you're sleeping, it could be even more of a challenge. But it might be easier too because you won't have as much resistance, right? Because your conscious mind is relaxed to sleep, so to speak.